Resources. Step 1. Access Navigate360. On the CCD Connect dashboard, click Navigate360 Student Home. This takes you to the Navigate360 Student Home page called Explore. Step 2. Access the resource feature. On the left-hand side, select the resource icon. Step 3. Categories. There are two categories within the resource feature: Places and People. Places is where you can view resources assigned to a broad student-focused topic. People is where your advisor or care team's information is displayed, if any are assigned. Step 4. Find support. Explore available resources under Places or People. For example, let's look at tutoring. Under the Tutoring tab, you can find our tutoring center called Excel Zone. When you select Excel Zone, it gives you a brief description, their webpage, and their contact information so you can reach out.